In this bridge course 8th video, so we are discussing previously so many problems, so many formulas, so and calculation of the part as well as simplification. So we are discussing the best formulas, so we are using regularly. In this video we are discussing about a new concept, new formula, especially for useful for the competitive exams. Let me explain that from basic onwards. So like this, so numbers can be taken as like this. So numbers can be taken as two parts, that is real numbers and imaginary numbers. So imaginary numbers. So we are having this further studies. Imaginary numbers we are studying in PUC classes, in higher classes. So real numbers. What are the real numbers? Real numbers which are real existing. So existing numbers, possible numbers, we are discussing about real numbers. In this, real numbers can be classified as two, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. So irrational numbers. So this one is already you know that rational numbers is nothing but a number can be p by q. P comma q are integers, so q not equals to 0. Already we know that rational number. So rational number, irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed as p by q, p comma q are integers, q not equal to 0. These rational numbers can be classified as integers, non-integers, integers and non-integers. So integers and non-integers. In this, again, integers values, that is, so negative integers, and 0 is there, and then positive integers. So this one. So first, numbers can be classified as real numbers and imaginary numbers. Real numbers can be classified, that is existing numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So rational numbers p by q form, p comma q are integers, q not equal to 0, that is the rational number definition. So rational numbers can be defined as integers and non-integers. So integers as negative integers, 0 and positive integers. Here is suppose only positive integers. So that is 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite are also called as natural numbers. So that is this can be natural numbers can be defined as n belongs to n. Capital natural numbers can be defined as right. So negative integers means so that is minus infinity, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on infinite. So can be classified as belongs to z. Z means it is all integral values, either positive integral value, negative integral value, 0. Now, so z plus only positive integral values, So whole numbers, so whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite. So this can be taken as this belongs to double, that is general notation. So these numbers can be classified as numbers can be real numbers and imaginary numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be expressed as p by q form, where p comma q are integers, q not equal to 0. Integers, non-integers. In negative integers, 0, positive integers. Positive integers we know that 1, 2, 3 and so on are also called as natural numbers and belongs to n. Integers minus infinity to plus infinity, that is belongs to z. Z plus only positive integers, positive integral values. Whole numbers, so positive integers with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is denoted by double. This is the classification of numbers. This is the very important. From this classification, we are discussing about the three formulas. What are the three formulas? So So we are discussing about the formulas. What are the three formulas? Now let me explain the formulas now. Let me explain the formulas now, right? Now to explain the formulas now. Now there must be, we are discussing about the three formulas. First formula is, listen, x is a real number. X is a real number, right? X square is always greater than or equals to 0. X is real number. So any real number, negative or positive or any rational, irrational, whatever it may be, x square is always greater than or equal to 0. If you take negative, minus 3 square, 9, greater than or equal to 0. 0 square, 0. So 5 square, 25. Any root 3 square, 3, always greater than or equal to, x is a real number. So that's very important. X belongs to real number. X square is always greater than or equal to 0. So the next one is, one formula is there, x comma y comma z belongs to R. So if x square plus y square plus z square equals to 0, this is always greater than or equal to 0, but must be 0. Only condition is x equals to y equals to z equals to 0. This is the very, very important formula in competitive exams, asking so many times. X, y, z are real numbers. If x square y plus y square plus z square is 0, only condition is x equals to y equals to z equals to 0. So generally, so we are having one more formula. That's a very important formula. A square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This can be taken as half into a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This formula we can across the problem solving so many typical questions and JEE Mains questions. This formula is very, very important. Based on this video, we can discussing about the first formula, second formula. Based on these three formulas, we are discussing the problems. So, one will explain this formula. X is any real number, either positive, negative, or rational or irrational. So, integer or non-integer, x square is always greater than or equal to 0. Remember that. Now, x, y, z are any real numbers. So, if x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0, only condition, because this must be greater than or equal to 0, this must be greater than or equals to 0. So, right? This must be greater than or equal to 0. So, this one is also greater than or equal to 0. This one is also greater than or equal to 0. Only condition is x equal to y equal to z equals to 0. So, one more formula, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This one is multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So, we are getting this formula. Half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. So, this is the 8th standard formula. We are across this formula. Any maximum problems or typical problems we are using this JEE Mains formula. Let me explain some problems based on this. So, we are discussing one by one some questions based on these concepts. So, let me explain some question. Question is given like this. So, right, suppose question is given like this. First question is a square plus 4b square plus 25c square minus 2ab minus 10bc minus 5ca equals to 0. So then ABC are natural numbers, then least value of a plus b plus c equals to dash. That is the question. First question is 12, 17, 20 and this is 25. This question is asking like this. So already I know that formula first already I am going to explain once again this formula. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx equals to, it is nothing but half into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square z minus x whole square. Keep it in this formula in your mind. So this one is x equal to a square plus 2b whole square, that is 5c whole square, minus a into 2b, that is xy, minus this one, minus 2b into 5c, minus 5c into a, so equals to 0. Once again check that, a square, 2b whole square, 5c square, a into 2b, 2b into 5c, minus 5ca, 5c into a equals to 0. This is nothing but half into x by this y whole square, a minus 2b whole square, 2b minus 5c whole square, 5c minus a whole square equals to 0. Again, this is nothing but a minus 2b whole square plus 2b minus 5c whole square plus 5c minus a whole square equals to 0. This one again compare this, x square plus y square plus z square equals to 0. Condition, x equal to y equals to z equals to 0. So remember that this one must be 0. A minus 2b equals to 0. 2b minus 5c equals to 0. 5c minus a equals to 0. So a equals to 2b. So 2b equal to 5c. 5c equals to a. Therefore, a equals to 2b equals to 5c. In this one, he says that, so a comma b comma c belongs to natural numbers. So least value possible, the least value possible, if we take n, c equals to 2 only, because so 2b is there, 5c, b becomes a natural number, only c equals to, that is 2 only if we take. Now, what is a? A is nothing but 5c, 5 into 2, that is 10. Now, b is nothing but 2b equal to 5 into 2, implies b equal to 5. Now, a plus b plus c equals to, so 2 plus 10 plus 5, it is nothing but 7. 17, this is the correct answer. So, this type of question asking generally in JEE Mains concept, because these two formulas are very important. Here is underline these formulas. So x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Next formula is x square plus y square plus z square is 0. X equal to y equals to z equals to 0. Based on these two formulas, we can solve the problems. These are the very important concepts for those who are interested, the aspirants who are for JEE Mains or competitive exam. So this formula is these two formulas, this formula and this formula are the most important. Here is a equals to 10, b equals to 5, c equals to 2, a plus b plus c equals to 17. So that is the way of solving the question. Let me explain one more question based on this concept. Let me explain one more question based on this concept. So same model question, we have to understand that. One more question I will explain that you can understand that. Suppose, so I will write one more question. Question is given like this: 16a square plus, so b square plus 9c square minus 4ab minus 3bc minus 12ca equals to 0. Here also abc belongs to natural numbers. Least value of a plus b plus c, you can solve this. So options are given like this. Options are given like this. So this is the question. This is the question given. Right. So same formula. First option given as that is 21, 17, 19 and 23. So same. So remember that formula. This one is already, we know that x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx equals to half into x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, z minus x whole square. Here is this can be taken as, this one taken as half into, that is this one a, x is nothing but, so for a, y is nothing but b, z is nothing but 3c. So this becomes so 4a whole square plus b square plus 3c whole square, 4a into b. Now b into 3c minus, now 3c into a equals to 0. In this one, again the same concept. This is, remember this. So this is the formula, like this. Observe that, half into x minus y, 4a minus b whole square, b minus 3c whole square, 3c minus a whole square equals to 0. So here is the base of our first formula. So this one, again 4a minus b whole square plus b minus 3c whole square, 3c minus a whole square equals to 0. This is the second formula, means x square plus y square plus z square equals to 0. So implies x equals to y equals to z equals to 0. Based on these two formulas, we can solve the problems. Here same 4a minus b equals to 0. So b minus 3c equals to 0. 3c minus a equals to 0. 4a equals to b, b equal to 3c, 3c equals to a. This is nothing but 4a equals to b equal to 3c. How can I solve this? So the number is a comma b comma c are the natural numbers. Least value is asking. So it must be, b is multiple of 3, this is. So I can take like this. So c must be taken as 4. C is taken as 4. Now what is b? B is nothing but 3 into 4, that is 12. What about c? C is nothing, a is nothing but 4a equal to 3 into 4. 4 cancel, a equals to 3. Now what is a plus b plus c? A plus b plus c is nothing but 4 plus 12 plus 3. It is nothing but 19. So this one is the correct answer. So let me explain the model. That's why I am explaining the second question also based on this formula. So this formula and this formula are the most important. Why I am stressing these two formulas means generally in every mains question paper these formulas are very, very important, useful. That's why I stress again and again of solving the two problems. So this one, remember the formula, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So equal to half into x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, z minus x whole square. This can be another formula, x square plus y square plus z square is 0, implies x equal to y equals to z equals to 0. So converted this question to like this. So 4a equal to 3b equal to 4a equal to 3c equal to, that is natural numbers. This must be is multiple of 3. That can be. Here 4a equal to 3c. So this is so c a must be 4a equal to 3 into 4, a equal to 3. So the least possibility is a equal to 4, a equal to a plus b plus c. Here is a equal to 3, a equal to 3, b equals to 12, c equal to 4. So that is a plus b plus c is 3 plus 12 plus 4. Again it is 19. So third is the correct answer. So this is the way of solving the question. Let me explain that is the way of solving. Remember this formula, half x minus x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is half into x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, z minus x whole square. This is the JEE Mains question, the JEE Mains model. I stress it again. So I'll give you one more problem on this homework. You will try to solve that and tell me the answer. So right, I'll give the problem only. Here suppose just you will try to solve the question only. So remember that. Only practicing makes you perfect this type of problems. Suppose the question is given like this. The question is given like this. I am giving one more 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 6xy minus 12yz minus 8zx equals to 0. So here is x comma y comma z belongs to natural numbers. Then least value of asking the question is x plus y plus z. So options given like this. First option is 13, 15, 17, 19. So you practice this question. Same concept, same application. You try to solve that. Please take the pen and paper and the same concept problem, have to solve that. So one more question I am giving this. Listen. A square plus b square plus 4c square equals to, given like this, ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If given like this, a comma b comma c belongs to n means natural numbers, the least value of so a plus b plus c whole square equals to how much? That is, I am giving options 16, 25, 36 and 49. This is the question asking. So you try to practice the two questions, then you can understand the concept. So remember this, you have to take the pen and paper and solve the question, then you have got ideas about that. If you want, the next video I will give the answers for this. So let me explain one more concept like this. So suppose if a question is like this, another concept, 25x square plus 81. So is to be a perfect square. So right. So written as perfect square, add kx, then k equal to dash. Options given 90, 120, 180, 240. This is the question. This is the question asking. This is 25x square plus 81 plus kx is a perfect square. So this is 5x whole square. This is simple formula. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square formula. It's a perfect square means a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus, so this is 9 square, 2ab, 2 into 5x into 9. So this one taken as, this one is simple, 5x whole square, 5x plus 9 whole square. This one must be kx. Kx equals to, so that is 90x. So k must be 90. So this one is, first option is the correct answer. So let me explain this question. 25x square plus 81, written as the perfect square, add kx, then k equals to that. That is a question asking. A square plus b square plus kx equal to perfect square. This is a perfect square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 5x into 9. So this is nothing but 90x. 90x is nothing but kx. K equal to 90. This must be the 5x plus 9 whole square. K must be 90. So in this video we are discussing about these problems and one formula. So try to understand, solve the two problems and make it perfect. Thank you.